Hey guys, my name is James from GigaPress.net. Not long ago, I ran into a really frustrating issue while working on my WordPress site. I kept getting logged out, over and over again. And if you've experienced this, you know how disruptive it can be, especially when you're trying to get things done. Fortunately, I was able to identify the cause and fix it. So in this video, I want to share with you exactly what I did to solve the WordPress keeps logging out problem to keep your site running without interruptions. But why does your WordPress site keep logging you out? The short answer is cookies. No, I'm not talking about the kind of cookies you eat with milk. I'm talking about cookies, which WordPress uses to manage your login session. If something interferes with those cookies, like browser settings, cache conflicts, incorrect site address configurations, or plugin conflicts, your session can break and you'll be logged out. So, understanding these causes is important to effectively fix WordPress logging out problems. Let's begin with step 1. Solve browser-specific issues. First, clear your browser's cache. If you're using Chrome, access the Settings menu found under the 3-dot icon in the top right corner. Navigate to the Privacy and Security section, then select Delete Browsing Data and choose the time range for which you want to clear the cache. It's often best to select All Time for a thorough clean. Make sure to select both cookies and other site data and cached images and files. And click Delete Data. After that, restart your browser and try logging in again. Next, check your browser's cookie settings. Make sure your browser settings are configured correctly. In your Chrome browser, click the 3 dots icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Click Third-Party Cookies. Here, you can adjust settings related to cookies, site data, and permissions. Go to Site Settings and make sure the features like JavaScript and pop-ups are enabled if needed by specific websites. Then you also make sure your browser is up to date. So, go back to Settings and click About Chrome, and it will automatically update your browser. If you're experiencing persistent issues, consider resetting your browser settings to their default configuration. Step 2. Clear the cache of your WordPress site. A cluttered site cache can cause various issues, including persistent logouts. If you're using caching plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache, clear the cache through the plugin settings. This can resolve conflicts that may be causing the logout issue. To use the plugins, go back to your dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add Plugin. Search for the plugin. For this tutorial, I'm going to use W3 Total Cache. Click Install Now and Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item called Performance in your WordPress admin sidebar. Here, you'll find options to manage and clear different types of cache. Click on the Empty All Caches button to clear the page cache, minified files, database cache, object cache, and browser cache. Or you can also clear specific caches individually. If the problem persists, let's move on to step 3. Check your WordPress site address. A mismatch between your WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL, can cause login issues. So, to check and correct these settings, go to Settings in your WordPress dashboard and select General. Make sure both URLs match exactly here. If they don't, update them accordingly. If you can't access your dashboard, you can fix this by editing your wp-config.php file via FTP. For this tutorial, I'm going to use CyberDuck. Before we begin, make sure your site is already connected to FTP. If you're not sure how to do that, I've created a separate video on our channel that walks you through the process of connecting your site and using an FTP client. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Once connected, locate your WordPress installation folder, usually named public_HTML, htdocs, or your site's name. Inside that folder, find the file named wp-config.php. Right-click on wp-config.php and choose Download to save a copy to your computer. Now, open the file using a text editor. Scroll down near the bottom of the file, just above the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." Then add the following lines. Define WP Home https://yourdomain.com. Define WP_site URL https://yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual site URL. Make sure it matches the format. Once done, save the changes in your text editor. Go back to CyberDuck and drag the edited wp-config.php file back into your site's directory to overwrite the old one. Once finished, open your browser and visit your WordPress login page. Then try logging in again, and the logout issue should now be resolved. Step 4. Disable plugins and themes to identify conflicts. Plugins or themes can sometimes cause conflicts, leading to repeated logouts. Here's how to troubleshoot it directly from your WordPress dashboard. Start by deactivating all plugins. To do this, go to the Plugins menu in your dashboard, select All Plugins, and choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown. This will temporarily turn off all plugins. Next, reactivate each plugin one by one. After activating each plugin, test your login session by logging out and logging back in. If the logout issue returns after activating a specific plugin, you've likely found the one causing the problem. Once you identify the problematic plugin, check if there's an update available. Updating the plugin may resolve the issue. If no update is available or the problem continues, consider replacing it with a similar plugin that's more reliable and better supported. Theme conflicts can also cause WordPress to log you out unexpectedly. If you've recently installed or updated a theme, it's worth checking whether that theme is the source of the issue. To test for theme conflicts, switch to a default WordPress theme. Go to the Appearance section, select Themes, and activate a default theme like 2025. If you don't have one installed, click Add Theme at the top of the page. In the search bar, type the name of the default theme you want to reinstall, for example, 2025. Once the theme appears in the search results, click the Install button. After installation, click Activate to make it your active theme. After switching themes, log out of your site and log back in. If the issue no longer occurs, your previous theme was likely responsible for the conflict. Also, make sure your themes are up to date. Check for update notifications under the Updates section in your WordPress dashboard. Apply any available updates, as outdated themes can cause compatibility issues that lead to logout errors. Finally, Step 5. Check CDN configuration. If you're using a CDN or Content Delivery Network, it might be caching your login page or interfering with cookies, which can lead to unexpected logout issues. To troubleshoot this, log into your CDN dashboard and clear the cache. You can also temporarily disable the CDN to test whether it's causing the problem. If disabling it resolves the issue, adjust your CDN settings to exclude login pages from caching. And that's it! These are the exact steps I followed to fix the WordPress keeps logging out issue, from browser settings and cache clearing to plugin and theme troubleshooting, and even CDN configuration. I hope this guide helps you keep your WordPress site running smoothly. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress Masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.